Hello, friends, and welcome back to Slide into English, where we learn English through slideshows, stories, and comprehensible input. Today, we are looking at the contractions of wouldn't, couldn't, and shouldn't. This is also related to another video on this playlist, which features the words would have, could have, and should have. If you would like to learn about those contractions, there'll be a link in the video. So, when we have the word would and not, we get the word wouldn't. Should and should not become shouldn't, and could not become couldn't. Let's continue on with our slides. Hey, did you buy the beer from the market? No, they wouldn't sell it to me. Why not? Because I look too young. I wouldn't say you look so young. Next slide. So what did the teacher say? I don't know. I couldn't understand her. Couldn't you ask her again? I just felt nervous. Next slide. Would you like more ice cream? No, I couldn't. It's bad for my diet. So here we have a specific use for couldn't, usually in this sort of scenario when people offer things and you don't feel like having it because you don't have the ability to eat it. Maybe it's too sweet, maybe you're too full. This is a good phrase. No, I couldn't. Next slide. Tim paid for dinner last night. He shouldn't do that all the time. Why not? Shouldn't he pay for meals? Maybe you should speak to Tim about it. Okay, everybody, that's the last slide. Thank you very much for your attention and for listening to today's content. If you like this style of content and slideshows like this, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you back for the next video.